Hello everyone, myself Maria and I am a final year MBBS student. So in this video we are going to start with neurophthalmology and I'll try to upload videos on the same topics in a short and concise way in the coming videos. So without any delay, let's get started. In neurophthalmology, we'll start with visual pathway. I'll talk about anatomy of the visual pathway in this video. So in a concise way, the neurons of visual pathway include the first order neuron are nothing but the bipolar cells of the retina. The second order neurons are the ganglion cells and the third order neurons are present in the lateral geniculate body. Moving forward to the visual pathway, the components of visual pathway, as we already know, that it contains retina, optic nerve, optic chiasm, optic tract, lateral geniculate body, optic radiation and visual cortex, which contains the area number 17, 18 and 19. So, optic nerve, it is the second cranial nerve which consists of nasal fibers and the temporal fibers. So, this is the visual representation of the visual pathway. This is the right eye and the left eye. We have to draw based on our right hand side and the left hand side. So, these are the nasal fibers and the temporal fibers of the optic nerve. Nasal fibers. Now this optic nerve continues as optic chiasm where the nasal fibers cross over each other and the temporal fibers of the same eye continues. This optic chiasm has the crossover nasal fibers of opposite eye and the temporal fibers, which further continues down as the optic tract. This optic tract has the consists of the fibers from temporal half of the retina of the same eye and the nasal half of the opposite eye. So which comes to the lateral geniculate body. This lateral geniculate body then continues forward as the optic radiation. This lateral geniculate body contains the third order neurons. So this optic radiation has two parts, that is, this is the inferior and this is the superior fibers. These superior fibers and these are the inferior fibers of the optic radiation, which then finally comes into the visual cortex, area number 17, 18 and 19. So this is the visual pathway. In the next video we will see about the lesions of the visual pathway. If there are lesions at certain level, what and all will be the features of the lesions. And I hope you guys liked the video, and if there are any queries, do let me know in the comments. I'll try to answer, and your feedback is also welcome. If there are any improvements, please do let me know. I'll try to improve for sure. Thank you for watching.